Ignite a spring cleaning sales boom in your cleaning business now. This is perfect for any cleaning business with any budget, and it's also perfect to prime the pump for spring. A little bit about me. Why should you trust me? Well, I owned a cleaning business for 22 years. I majored in advertising when I was a senior in college at the University of West Florida. I actually just wanted to start a business and practice advertising, find out what worked and what didn't work, and eventually I started Hitman Advertising, where I help cleaning companies all over the world get better marketing for their cleaning business. I've been a featured speaker at the Experience Cleaning Convention, at Encapsulooza, and several other industry events. I've also written articles for Clean Facts Magazine and R&R Magazine. I have 2 best-selling books on Amazon you can check out, Killer Advertising for Cleaning Businesses and 6-Figure Carpet Cleaning. So let's get right into the subject here. Step 1, don't miss this step. Most importantly, marketing to your past clients and your hot prospects that you've already given estimates to and talked to. A lot of times, this is one of the biggest mistakes for cleaning companies because your clients don't always remember you. They don't also remember all of the different services that you do, and you don't want them accidentally calling the wrong company for tile cleaning because they don't know that you did tile cleaning or water restoration. One of the first things I'm going to recommend that you do is text message marketing. Every time I've ever recommended this to a coaching client, I've gotten news just like this. I spent $40, got $2,500 in business back. I booked 5 jobs in the first 15 minutes. I spent $20 and I got $7,000 worth of business. This is the type of feedback that I regularly get. Now, when you send the message, just send something like, hi, client's name, this is your name with your cleaning company. You want to address that right away. Let them know that they're a cherished client and your schedule is booking up fast. So this is a great thing for spring. There's really no offer here. It's just a warm wish and a message of happy spring. It puts you in front of them, and it puts your phone number there, and also starts the text conversation for them to shoot a message back and actually start talking to you. Many times, if they don't book an appointment, you're going to get very, very positive feedback from that type of a text message. Now, you also want to do some email newsletters. I recommend text messages probably maybe once every 3 or 4 months. Email newsletters 2 times a month. Now, the interesting thing about emails are some of your clients, in fact, a lot of them don't want emails from you, right? But several of them do, and the ones that do, I highly, highly recommend that you do it. Send something based on the postcard that you sent out, the text that you sent out. Remind them of all the other things going on in your cleaning business. You also want to send them a postcard through the mail. Now, in this case, this is an educational postcard about why they should not neglect their carpet and rugs, and it just gives them information of benefits to cleaning, especially during spring. These are the type of things that people sometimes are wondering, should they get carpet cleaned very often? How often? You're the expert. It's your job to actually educate them. When you educate them like this, they might actually call you back more frequently than they normally would have if you had not educated them. Messages just like this for St. Patrick's Day, 5 myths that are deadly to your carpet. Spring cleaning gift card, like huge gift cards that we've actually sent to our clients in the mail with just a very good special offer. Actually in spring, not even the best special offer of the year, but a little bit of a light special offer. Also too, just educational messages about tile and grout, about hardwood, and just letting them know all the things that they're wondering about. You're the expert. It's your job to actually educate them. And of course, the answer to all these problems is you. And more frequent cleaning, that's the educational message. Then, of course, you also want to send out reminders. I miss you. This is actually an I miss you flyer. It's a tri-folded flyer. This has been told to me by some of my coaching clients. This is one of the best pieces of marketing they've ever used, because it's actually reactivating past clients that they haven't heard from in over 2 years. And of course, sometimes too, you also might want to send a postcard just to remind them that it's been a year, it's been 6 months, whatever the case may be. Step 2, you want to have other businesses referring you regularly, like realtors, rug galleries, flooring retailers, veterinarians, pet groomers, furniture retailers, insurance companies, contractors, and interior designers. Now, what I recommend that you do is you walk in with a gift bag, just like this, company sticker on the front, inside, gift cards, cookies, you want some sort of treat for sure, a brochure, and your latest client postcard. When you do this, you're looking a lot more professional than Joe Blow, the average cleaning company. And especially when you include some great brochures, you're educating them about the different things that you do in detail. For example, this pet odor brochure made me well over $1 million because we would go in and hand it to a client while we were measuring or using a urine detector. While they were reading it, they were being convinced, because not everybody, in fact, hardly any company in town, if any company in town, did something like that. Most of them aren't going to give their prospects and their clients a special brochure about area rug cleaning and fine rug cleaning or hardwood or pet odor removal. Also, too, you want to have a gift card thrown in there for your company. Step 3, I would do some neighborhood marketing. And there's several different ways that you can do neighborhood marketing, both online and offline. Every door direct mail in the United States is one. In other countries, there's similar programs, or radius targeting. Those are 2 different ways to do it. You can actually pick either an exact mail route that you want to mail to, or you can do 5 rounds through radius targeting. Now, if you're going to do EDDM, it's a certain size postcard that you have to do. And what we would do is we would claim that we were the neighborhood cleaning company. We'd give special offers only to our neighbors. We'd tell them about our guarantees, how we were different than other cleaning companies, and we would basically claim that neighborhood as ours and win that neighborhood. We do printing for these for our coaching club members, for 1,000 of them around $180. These are large postcards too, 8 by 10 inch postcards. 5,000 for $424. We also have smaller versions for EDDM. This is about the smallest EDDM that you can do, 6.5 by 9, 1,000 for as little as $105. You also might want to do other variations, not just stick to just one postcard. Different size postcards, different messages in your postcard, sometimes light and whimsical, sometimes very educational and text heavy, and break the messages up and do different things. This is a great postcard that made me quite a bit of money too, where I actually sent this after flooding in our area and heavy rains, where we educated them about water damage and what they need to do to prevent it. And of course, we're the answer. We need to come in and give them an inspection for their water restoration problem. Also too, don't forget all your different services. Hardwood, tile, don't just market your primary service, market all of your services to those neighborhoods. And then you can also do radius targeting. Maybe you've cleaned for certain clients in that neighborhood and or that zip code or your entire city, and you want to send 5 rounds, 10 rounds, or 50 rounds, whatever you want to do. You can do that for a particular neighborhood or particular city we work closely with a mail house that can help you do that, where we're sending out postcards just like this. We just cleaned for your neighbors. Would you like yours cleaned too? This is a smart thing to do. Now, if you're going to do neighborhood marketing in particular, even if you're not, I'd highly recommend Google Ads as maybe step 4 if you need to do this. If you are doing neighborhood marketing, I recommend that you at least spend a few $100s on actually targeting that neighborhood on Google Ads. So you're having display ads show up and even search ads show up. That way they might have sort of remembered you from the postcard, and then they look carpet cleaning or tile cleaning or hardwood, whatever, water restoration up on Google, and they see you and they go, oh yeah, these are the people that market to me and mail me all the time because they're the neighborhood cleaning company. I gotta use this company. So you want to do that as well. Google Ads combined with that neighborhood marketing campaign. Now, here's my recommendation. I recommend that you do this now as fast as you can. Money loves speed. So the faster you can do this, the better. Do it now. We do have these templates available and coaching on how to do EDDM, how to do Google Ads. We have a complete training program for that. And we even do the designs for you inside of the coaching club once per month for free. Check it out. The link is right below this video. We could even mail the mailings for you. We have a couple of different mail houses that we work with that can actually do the mailings for you if you don't want to do them yourself, or you can mail them yourself if you want. Check out the link below this video. I'd love to help you grow your cleaning business this spring.